What happens when adventure meets chaos? When you're out in the wild, far from comfort, and the world suddenly demands you survive, not just explore. Out there, gear isn't just equipment. It's life support. And if you pack wrong, you pay for it with every step. I've felt the drag of a backpack that weighed more than my sanity. The blistered feet. The desperate search for water. That moment you swear never to hike again until you do, because adventure calls. But here's the secret. Survival gets easier when you pack smart. Lightweight gear, smart tools, and a little common sense. Start with the basics: your feet. Get sturdy shoes, good grip, solid support, because if your feet quit, your body follows. Hydration, never optional. Carry a portable water filter. Rivers and streams are useless if the water makes you sick. And trust me, clean water in the wild tastes like victory. Stay energized. Pack high-calorie snacks, trail mix, jerky, energy bars. When hunger hits and you're miles from camp, food is fuel. And don't forget a first aid kit, not just bandages. Tweezers for splinters, pain relievers, antiseptic wipes. The basics save lives. Weather, always unpredictable. 1 minute sunshine, next minute a rain attack from the heavens. Pack a light jacket or poncho. Stay dry, stay warm, stay alive. And for the love of sanity, organize. Use compression bags, zip pouches, anything that keeps chaos from exploding out of your pack every time you unzip it. Your backpack is your mobile command center. Pick one that fits. Adjustable straps, durable fabric, enough space but not a black hole of clutter. Day trip? Use a light pack. Long journey? Go bigger with smart compartments. Water filters are non-negotiable. Pump filters are great solo. Gravity filters win 4 groups. And always pack backup purification tablets. Gear breaks biology, doesn't care. Cooking outdoors. Keep it simple. Portable stove. Nesting cookware. One spork to rule them all. You'll laugh, but that weird little spork becomes your best friend at dinner time. Navigation matters. Maps don't need batteries. Compasses don't glitch. GPS is great. ... until it dies. Always have backup. Shelter keeps you alive. Tents if you're staying long. Hammock and tarp if you're moving fast. Travel light. Rest smart. Survival isn't about fear. It's about freedom. Pack right. Move smart. Stay sharp. Because out there it's not just a trip. It's your story. And it starts now.